Welcome to Genius Moms Group. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Today's topic is bird flu, facts for kids. Bird flu, also called avian influenza, is a viral infection that can infect not only birds but also humans and other animals. Most forms of the virus are restricted to birds. There are many types of influenza A, which was first found in a bird in Italy in 1878. Most types have weak symptoms such as breathing problems similar to the common cold. But some types kill birds and a few kill humans and other mammals. One type of bird flu called Spanish flu kills 50 to 100 million people in 1918 and 1920 around. A subtype called S5N1 killed 6 people in Hong Kong in 1997. Governments around the world are spending billions of dollars to deal with this problem, studying H5N1, creating vaccines, conducting pandemic practice exercises, stockpiling useful flu medication, and many other important activities. If you like my video, subscribe, like, and share my video. Don't forget to press bell icon.